This is sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to Corban Adventures Learning. I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the exploding
Lunch bag.
Floating lunch bag, so
Stay tuned. Now we have 2 cups of baking soda and a Ziploc bag.
and the Ziploc bag is 2 gallons.
Yeah, let's go to the next step. In these 2 cups, we have 1 liter of vinegar. And now we're going to put food coloring in there. Right now, we're going to mix it a little bit. Like mix.
All right, so Corbin put some red food coloring in each cup here. And now we're gonna do our experiment.
Poof! We placed the 2 cups inside the Ziploc bag.
All right.
And now we're going to do our little explosion.
All right, there are the 2 cups there. All right, now Corbin's gonna shake the bag as hard as he can. Shake, 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 shake. Woo, it worked. What a mess.